OpenAI's O1 just got a serious rival. DeepSeek just released R1, its new thinking reasoning model that's on par with O1, and is absolutely free. This changes everything. DeepSeek's new R1 is an MIT licensed, fully open source model. This means anyone can use it, tweak it, or even sell it for a profit. No permission needed, no corporate gatekeepers, no black box code, just pure transparency. And guess what? It even matches and beats the rival O1 model. And I'm going to show you all of the benchmarks, and here's the kicker, it's nearly 96% cheaper. That is insane. Now let's dive into the numbers and see how these AI models stack up across key benchmarks. If you look at the top bar, the light blue with stripes is DeepSeek R1, whereas the dark grey is OpenAI's O1 model. I mean, if you just look across the board, they are pretty much neck to neck, with DeepSeek slightly beating OpenAI in the majority of them, whereas in the GPQA Diamond, OpenAI beats DeepSeek by about 4%. Alright, so here's the API pricing. I want you to look at the bottom right chart. OpenAI costs $60 per 1 million output tokens, whereas DeepSeek R1 costs $2.19. That's a whopping 96% cheaper. Just imagine all the apps, web apps you could make, and when calling the API, you're getting a 96% discount on your reasoning model. Alright, I'm going to ask both reasoning models a simple riddle, and let's see if it gets the correct answer and how it works it out. You are in a race and you pass the person that's in second place. What position are you? Pause the video and let me know what answer you get. Right, so ChatGPT O1 straight away gives you the correct answer. If you pass the person in second place, you are now in second place. Now let's ask the same question to DeepSeek R1. So straight away it says, okay, let me see, the question is, and it tries to comprehend the question. So you are in a race and you pass the person that's in second place. What position are you in? At first glance, it seems straightforward, but I remember these types of questions are often a trick. So let me go through it step by step. So imagine a scenario where you have several runners and you can see he's actually thinking about it. And look at this. Wait, no, if I pass the person in second place, doesn't that mean I take their position? So if I was behind them, then move ahead, then do I become second and they drop in third? But wait, hold on. And you can see it's actually really thinking about it. And it's going over this several times per second because the first is still ahead, which is the correct answer. So it shows you the way it thinks, and this is what's so great about this. You pass the person that's in second place, which means you were previously in third place. By overtaking them, you are now in their position. The first place runner remains ahead. The answer is second place. ChatGPT thought about it for a couple of seconds, whereas DeepSeek thought about it for 14 seconds. And you can see it's thinking. And it also verifies it with an example. Wait, let me verify. Suppose the race has 3 runners, Alice, Bob, and Charlie in third. So it goes through another scenario and it seems like it's trying to visualize it. That's really good. Alright, now time for a second test, but this one is a slightly harder test. First, I'm going to ask ChatGPT O1. So a bat and a ball cost $1.10. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? Pause the video, see if you can work it out and let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to ask DeepSeek the exact same question. Alright, let's see. So DeepSeek, we can see on the left, is thinking about it. ChatGPT is still thinking about it. So on the right, we can see that ChatGPT uses some sort of linear equation to work it out. Now, DeepSeek on the left is still working it out. So ChatGPT uses a linear equation to work it out. It straight away gives you the answer. The ball costs 5 cents. If you let the ball cost X, then the bat costs X plus $1, which is correct. So it works it out. Essentially on the right, it works out as a simple linear equation and it finds the value of X, which is correct. Now, DeepSeek thought for a total of 35 seconds. Okay, let's see. There's this problem. A bat and a ball cost $1.10 in total. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. So how much does the ball cost? I think I've heard this one before. I suppose it's a trick question or something, right? Let me try work it through step by step. It seems like it's a human just talking. The way it's thinking is it's crazy. Okay, first let me pass the information. We have 2 items, a bat and a ball, and it seems to be thinking about this pretty well. Their total cost is $1.10. The bat is more expensive than the ball by exactly $1. So it thinks through to write it out as an equation. It goes through, it verifies, blah, blah, blah. It goes through, it is doing a lot of verification. And then it goes back in to plug in different numbers to test its theory. Let me try plugging in different numbers to test. So it goes through and it plugs in different numbers to test, it recaps, it verbalizes the solution. It seems like it's talking to itself. So it tries to visualize it. This is crazy. This is absolutely insane. Then it plugs it back in, it gives you a summary of the total steps, and then down below it gives you how it works it out, and it gives you the answer in a nice little square box. That is great. I'm actually very impressed by this, especially with the 96% cost reduction. Clearly shows that the open source models are really catching up to the closed source. If you found this video useful, click the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you on the next video.